The cake one Belfast firm refused to bake, triggering a costly legal battle. Thousands spent in court as one man pitched his equal rights against what others claimed were their religious rights. In the end, a judge decided the man in the middle here had been treated differently because of his sexuality. Shy of publicity, Gareth Lee left it to the Equality Commission, which funded the legal action, to speak for him.
It actually says to people who take part in commercial enterprises that they must act within the anti-discrimination framework. The judge did say she respected the strongly held faith of those who work for Ashers, but she said when she was applying the fair balance here that it was clear, looking at the case law, that the current anti-discrimination law provides that fair balance.
It's a year since Mr. Lee placed an order for a cake here at Ashers Bakery. A seemingly benign image of Bert and Ernie from Sesame Street requested for the top. But it was words in support of gay marriage which would prompt the Christian family which runs the bakery to refuse to complete the order, which they'd initially accepted and taken payment for. Manager Daniel MacArthur cited religious objections, but his claim that his quarrel was with the cake and not the man who ordered it was rejected by the judge.
The ruling suggests that all business owners will have to be willing to promote any cause or campaign, no matter how much they disagree with it. Or, as the Equality Commission have suggested, they should perhaps just close down.
The case triggered fierce debate in Northern Ireland, whose devolved government has rejected legalising gay marriage. And the judgment stoked fierce ire amongst democratic unionists who are pushing for a conscience clause in equality legislation. They said it was absolutely shameful a Christian family had been dragged through the courts.
What we cannot have is a hierarchy of rights. And today there is a clear hierarchy being established that gay rights are more important than the rights of people to hold religious beliefs.
But lawyers involved in bringing the action responded to that strong statement with one of their own.
That if there was a bakery run by a gay man that refused to ice a cake saying support opposite-sex marriage, it would be just as much unlawful as it was in this case. And that really does prove the point that there aren't a hierarchy of rights.
There's a strong expectation the issue will be challenged further in the courts. The row over a cake with a price tag of around £35 has already generated massive costs for the legal challenge. And who knows what the cost in terms of reputational damage to the firm involved. Michelle Clifford, Sky News, Belfast.